Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Python on Mac step by step clearly. To update Python on your Mac, start by opening the Terminal application. You can find Terminal by searching in Spotlight or navigating to Applications, then Utilities. Once Terminal is open, check your current version of Python by typing the command Python version. If you're using Python 3, use Python 3 version. Next, let's ensure that Homebrew is installed. Type brew version in the terminal to check if Homebrew is already set up. If you don't have Homebrew installed, enter the command /bin/bash c $curl fsslh https://raw.github-content.com/homebrew/install/head/install.sh. This will download and install Homebrew on your Mac. Once Homebrew is ready, it's time to update Python. Enter the command brew update to update Homebrew itself. Then, type brew upgrade Python to upgrade Python to the latest version available. After the installation completes, verify that Python has been updated. You can do this by typing Python 3 version once more in the terminal. If you see the new version number, the update was successful. For users who manage Python versions using PyEnv, update it by entering brew upgrade PyEnv. After that, check for the latest Python versions by typing PyEnv install list. Install the new version by typing PyEnv install XXX, replacing XXX with the latest version number you saw. Finally, set the new version as the global version by entering PyEnv global XXX, again substituting with the correct version number. You have now successfully updated Python on your Mac. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.